top side. And then it's going to go over the stuff I just went over with the filter cavity. Okay. This is a booster seat you guys ordered.
Okay, yeah.
And this is your cheat sheet for your chemicals. So basically, once a week, you're going to be taking one of these test strips, you're going to dip it in the water, and you're going to hold it up to this bottle here. So all we're looking for is the chlorine levels between 1 and 5.
Okay.
And then the third one down on the stick is your pH. You want it in the middle.
Okay.
7.2 to 7.8. That is too low in pH. That is too high. So you use the yellow ones to neutralize your pH. These two right here. So if you test it 1 week and your pH is low, you're going to go spa up. If it's high, you're going to go spa down.
Okay.
Okay, so everything's in caps. Whenever you put chemicals in your spa, make sure your cover's up. All the jets are running. You're just going to stand over the spa. You're going to put 1 cap full in, throw it in the middle of the spa.
Okay.
Okay. 15 minutes after you put chemicals in, you got to wait 15 minutes for them to dissolve and off gas. So that's why we keep the cover open. So after 15 minutes after you put chemicals in, you can either get in the spa or shut the cover.
Okay.
Okay. Also, 2 caps here. So once a week is your pH. You're going to neutralize your pH with these two, and then you're going to put 2 caps of this Defender. Defender helps with the hard water. You're putting filtered water in there, so it's
Hopefully, yeah. That's supposed to take out calcium. So hopefully.
right. Yeah. So this is what breaks down calcium.
Okay.
Calcium, minerals, that kind of stuff. So 2 caps once a week. It'll help break that stuff down. And then twice weekly, 1 cap of Spa 56, which is chlorine, and 1 cap of Renew, which is shock. So twice weekly on these two.
Okay.
These other ones are as needed. Foam down if the tub gets foamy, full of bubbles. Somebody gets in with hair gel, detergent on their clothes. Anything that's going to cause bubbles in the tub, this will take it away.
Okay.
You just spray it right at the bubbles. Cover care and conditioner for the cover. We recommend every 3 months. Shut the cover, wash it off, spray it off, get all the dirt off it, let it dry, and then apply this. Just going to help protect the cover a little bit
Okay.
in the sun. And last but not least, aromatherapy. The smell stuff. 1 cap full before you get in the spa. It lasts a couple hours.
Okay. Oh, so it's kind of like volatile.
It's
It
a
goes
scent.
away. Okay.
It's a scent. Yeah. So once again, that's your water pillow. Recommend filling it up with water. That way it'll sink. And then, like I said, the other stuff is in here for you to get to know the top side. Once they get the tub registered, they'll email you the actual manual.
Okay.
Okay, but this is just stuff to get started. All right, so this is a drain right here. If you ever need to drain the tub, what you do is you hook the hose up to that, push the water into the tub, and then release that end,
Or siphon
and
it.
it'll siphon it out. Anything under here you don't really need to know about. If something goes wrong with the tub, we come out and fix it. But basically, all he does is hook up inside that box right there.
Okay. So none of this ozone, that gate, don't need to worry about that.
Nope, those are gate valves in case something has to be replaced in the middle, and they don't have to drain the tub.
Gotcha. Okay.
So
All right. So really, the only thing we really need to worry about here is the drain.
that's it.
And how often do you drain?
It's up to you.
A couple times a year.
The only time I'd recommend draining it is if nobody's putting chemicals in it. I do it once a year. Otherwise, if you keep chemicals in there and everything's good, you don't need to drain the tub. The only way you'd have to drain it is if nobody's been putting chemicals in it for more than a couple weeks.
Okay. Gotcha.
You know, it starts turning green and that kind of stuff. So, yeah. This feature right here, this is actually a sensor. So when it gets dark out, these sconces right here on the outside will automatically come on.
Okay.
If you don't want them on, you just turn them off. Okay. Cover lifter, it's on hydraulics, so it's real easy. Just want to make sure this cover gets in